So here we get to my personal favorite, the Christmas tree at Central World, next to the Apple Store. Good evening, I'm here at MBK and today I'm gonna do my yearly Christmas special, and I will try and show you as many possible Christmas trees that are at all the shopping malls. So we will start here at MBK. See, this is a very futuristic approach. If you know Futurama and you know the Santa of Futurama, go and check it out. I'm gonna try and show you as many possible Christmas trees today. Normally I do a full walkthrough, but today I'm gonna edit everything so I can show you a few more places. So I'll probably go to Prompong, I'll probably go to the Icon Siam on another day, and I will give you a good update, and then you guys can actually tell me which destination has the best Christmas decorations. So this was MBK. Let's move on towards the Siam Discovery. Can decide which one is the best one this year. This is the third time that I make this Christmas special, and it's actually interesting to see how the city changed in all these years. So the first one I did in 2020 in the beginning of the pandemic, and then the second one in 2021, and it was always in December, and you'll see a lot more tourists now. It's a lot more busy. Siam Paragon, and they created a kind of snow village. I think there's going to be some music here tonight. You know, nowadays all these Christmas markets, it's all about making nice pictures for Instagram. It's around 5:45 now, so the lighting is perfect. So let's move on to the next destination. We're on our way to Central World, and that's actually my personal favorite. Central World always makes a lot of effort. So this year they created a kind of snow village at Central World, so let's go and have a look. But as you can see, this year all the Christmas trees are design trees, very different from the traditional ones. It's Monday evening, but it's a holiday, so it's busy. This is a cool one with the smiley. So here we get to my personal favorite, the Christmas tree at Central World, next to the Apple Store. in Gaysorn, they don't really have a big Christmas tree, but some ornaments, and they have a Christmas village. So here we get to the skywalk. It's always, every year it's nice to walk the shopping mall. There are so many decorations, so many places where you can film. But let me also show you a couple of malls in other parts of the city where they have really nice decorations. So here we have the tree at Terminal 21. So we're here at the Prompong BTS station at the M Quartier, and this is another modern Christmas tree. I guess they are holiday trees, right? Dior, it's everyday Christmas. So here on the riverfront you have a winter village. No Christmas tree, but a Christmas guy, I guess. So this is between the central Chidlom and the central Embassy Mall. This is this year's tree at the Central Embassy. And again, they chose a modern approach. No typical standard Christmas trees. Inflatable Santas. But a very cool walkway here. So I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the Christmas trees on the different shopping malls in Bangkok for this year's version. If you did, feel free to subscribe, drop me a like, and see you guys in my next video.